Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb hola to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'ilun madin, past tense. Fi'ilun madin, past participle. Fi'ilun madin. This is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action that took place in the past. The question is, how do we change the verb hala'a to suit the pronouns below? Hala'a simply means he has taken off. To take off simply means to remove something in the form of cloth or garment. So he in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb hala'a to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb hala'a to suit ana? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying dhamma to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb hala'a will now become hala'atu, which means I have taken off. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb hala'a to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to attach na to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb hala'a will now become hala'na, which means we have taken off. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb hala'a to suit anta? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying fatha to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb hala'a will now become hala'ata, which means you have taken off. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb hala'a to suit anti? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying kasra to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb hala'a will now become hala'ati, which means you have taken off. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb hala'a to suit here? All you need to do is to attach ta'un carrying sukun to the last letter. So the verb hala'a will now become hala'at, which means she has taken off. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something has happened. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing has happened. For instance, Wahid, number one. Hala'a, he took off. Ma hala'a, he didn't take off. Ithnan, number two. Hala'at, she took off. Ma hala'at, she didn't take off. Thalatha, number three. Hala'atu, I took off. Ma hala'atu, I didn't take off. Arba'a, number four. Khala'na, we took off. Ma khala'na, we didn't take off. Khamsa, number five. Khala'ta, you took off. Ma khala'ta, you didn't take off. Talking to a single male person. Sitta, number six. Khala'ati, you took off. Talking to a single female person. Ma khala'ati, you didn't take off. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. Remember, to take off simply means to remove something in the form of cloth or garment. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-Istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. Aina khala'a Khalidun ziyya al-madrasa. Aina khala'a Khalidun ziyya al-madrasa. Aina khala'a Khalid. Where did Khalid take off? Ziyya al-madrasa, the school uniform. Aina khala'a Khalid. Where did Khalid take off? Ziyya al-madrasa, the school uniform. Now the answer. خلع خالد زي المدرسة في الغرفة. خلع خالد زي المدرسة في الغرفة. خلع خالد. Khalid took off زي المدرسة, the school uniform, في الغرفة, inside the room. خلع خالد زي المدرسة. Khalid took off the school uniform في الغرفة, inside the room. اثنان, number 2. أين خلعت زينب حجابها. أين خلعت زينب حجابها. Where did Zainab take off her hijab, her veil, her body cover? أين خلعت زينب حجابها. Where did Zainab take off her veil? Now the answer. خلعت زينب حجابها في البيت. خلعت زينب حجابها في البيت. Zainab took off her veil في البيت, at home. خلعت زينب حجابها. Zainab took off her veil في البيت, at home. ثلاثة, number 3. لماذا خلعت سروالك يا أخي. لماذا خلعت سروالك يا أخي. لماذا خلعت. Why have you taken off سروالك, your trousers, يا أخي, my brother. Now the answer. خلعت سروالي للتنظيف. خلعت سروالي للتنظيف. خلعت سروالي, I took off my trousers للتنظيف, to wash. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. So the reason behind taking off my trouser is to wash it. للتنظيف, to wash. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. أربعة, number 4. لماذا خلعت قميصك يا ابنتي. لماذا خلعت قميصك يا ابنتي. لماذا خلعت. Why did you take off قميصك, your shirt, يا ابنتي, my daughter. لماذا خلعت قميصك. Why have you taken off your shirt, or why did you take off your shirt, يا ابنتي, my daughter. And now the answer. خلعت قميصي للحر. خلعت قميصي للحر. خلعت قميصي, I have taken off my shirt, or I took off my shirt, للحر, because of heat. خلعت قميصي, I took off my shirt, للحر, because of heat. خمسة, number 5. لماذا خلعتما قلنسوتكما. لماذا خلعتما قلنسوتكما. لماذا خلعتما. Why have you both taken off قلنسوتكما, your caps? Talking to Hashim and Khalid. Now the answer. خلعنا قلنسوتنا للعرق. خلعنا قلنسوتنا للعرق. خلعنا قلنسوتنا. We took off our caps. We have taken off our caps للعرق, because of sweating. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. ستة, number 6. لماذا خلعتم الأزياء يا إخوة. لماذا خلعتم الأزياء يا إخوة. لماذا خلعتم الأزياء. Why have you all taken off the uniforms, يا إخوة, brothers. Now the answer. خلعنا الأزياء للرجوع إلى البيت. خلعنا الأزياء للرجوع إلى البيت. خلعنا الأزياء, we took off the uniforms. للرجوع إلى البيت, to go back home. خلعنا الأزياء, we took off the uniforms. للرجوع إلى البيت, so as to go back home, or in order to go back home. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبعة, number 7. لماذا خلعتن الثياب يا بنات. لماذا خلعتون الثياب يا بنات. لماذا خلعتون الثياب. So why have you all taken off the gowns, يا بنات, guess. Now the answer. خلعنا الثياب للذهاب إلى المدرسة. خلعنا الثياب, we took off the gowns للذهاب إلى المدرسة, to go to school. خلعنا الثياب, we took off the gowns للذهاب إلى المدرسة, in order to go to school. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clips, and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.